Hello everyone, this is Amit Kumar Singh, and guys, welcome to my class where I'm going to discuss the problems. There's one problem which is based on mode and median altogether. So this would be kind of a revision for you, all of you who are well versed with the concept of mode and median. So you can see in this problem, the mode of the distribution is given to you 66. What you have to find the median for this, and four options is given to you. So if you notice, the mode is given to you 66. Now 66 is the mode. If mode is 66 means the required class interval on which you should consider, that should be 60 to 70. Then only you can go get a mode called 66. So means if you remember the mode formula, so when class interval with frequency is given, so whenever you have class interval with frequency, okay, so then the formula of mode is L plus H, okay, F1 minus F naught divide by 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2. This is the formula, okay, and here in this range, this is called as F1. You understood why this is F1, because your mode is 66. That is only possible if your required class interval is 60 to 70. This is F1, this is F naught, and this is F2. Okay, so and the L would be 60. Okay, so and height is 10. You can see the difference between 70 and 60. So your L is 60. Okay, height is 10. Okay, F1 is 28. F naught is 22. Okay, F2 is F. Okay, and mode is given to you is 66. Mode is given to you as 66. Mode is given to you as 66. So mode is given to you 66. L is 60. Height is 10. L is 60. No, L is 60. Height is 10. F1 is 28, and F naught is 20. Then 2 into 28 minus 20 minus F. Okay, then you can solve this. 66 minus 60 is equal to 10 into 8 divide by 28 2 is 56 minus 20 minus F. So this is 6 is equal to 10 into 8 divide by 56 minus 20 is 36 minus F. Okay, so you can, if you bring 10 this side, you can write this as 6 by 10 is equal to 8 by 36 minus F. Fine, so you can do cross multiply, or you can simplify this as 3, this is 4. Okay, and then you can do cross multiply. 3 into 36 minus F is equal to 10 into 4. So uh this is what, 216, no, 36 threes are 36, 23 threes are 9. Okay, 33 threes are 6, then 3 carry, 9 plus 3 12, 120. 36 threes are, that is 6, 6 36, 6 threes are 18, 21. Yeah, that was what I was telling. So this would be 216. So this is 216 minus 3f equal to 40, and you can write 3f is equal to 216 minus 40. So 3f is equal to 216 minus 40 is equal to 676, 176, 176. So the value of f is equal to 5, and then the value of f is equal to 5, uh, 14. No, this value of f is 526. 1526 means 8 za. So 24, 20, 20, 58.67. So 176 by 3. That is the value of f. 58.67. Okay. So that is the value of f. You can just check, because decimals, I really don't expect it that I'll get the value of decimal. Okay. But anyway, so just reconfirm my calculation. So mode is equal to, if this is 6, 6 by 10, height was 10, f1 minus f naught, 22 minus, okay, this is 22, right? This is not 20. This is 22. This was 22. So this was 22. Then this was what? This was 6. Okay, this was 6. So this was 6. So 6, 6 get cancelled. Because decimal, I getting decimal means you need to be a little bit cautious. Here, possibility of decimal is little bit less. This is 36 minus f. Okay, so 36 minus f. So you can say that 1 is equal to 10 by 36 minus f. 36 minus f is equal to 10. So f is equal to 26. So the value of f you got is 26. So the f value is 26 here. Now, once you get the value of f, you can find the value of median very easily. So here you got the f as 26. Here you get the f as 26. Once you get the value of f as 26, you can find the less than cumulative frequency for median. So this would be 8, 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 22, that will be 46. Okay, so 20, 46 plus 28, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 74. 74 plus 26 is 100, 100 plus 12, 112. So this is 112. Sum of f is 112. So 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6 is, yeah, 40. 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 32, 3 carry, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 112. So you got the less than cumulative frequency as 112. So for median calculation, if I have to do median calculation, so for median, what is the first thing I'll do? I'll determine the sum of f by 2. So sum of f by 2 means sum of f is 112 divided by 2. So that is equal to 56. Okay, the value is 56. Okay, so what you need to do, uh, check in less than cumulative frequency table. Okay, the next value greater than the next value greater than 56. Okay, so in less than cumulative frequency table, the less value greater than 56, so that is 74. Okay, so once you get that, so with this we'll get L. So the L here is 60, F here, H here is 10, the F here is 28, the less than cumulative frequency is 46, and sum of f by 2 is 56. So the median, what is the median? So the median formula is L plus H by F into sum of f by 2 minus CF. That is the formula of median. So now median, L is 60 plus H is 10, F is 28, sum of f by 2 is 56, cumulative frequency is 10. So you can find the value of median. Median is 10 by 28, and this is 100. 10 into 10, 100. Median is 100 by 28. 100 by 28 is 84, I guess so. So you can, so 63 point something, whatever, that is your answer. 63 point, yeah, 100 by 28. So 28, 4s are 32, 11. So 3s are only. So so 100 Here you can see 100 divided by 28 plus 60. So this 100 by 28 is like 3.571, 3.5714 something. So the median value is 63.5714. That is your median value. So that is 63.5714. So you can see here 63.571. The most closest value is 64 only. So yeah, so we got the F value. The F2 value we got was 26. So the value you got the median as 63.5714 only. So the most closest value is 64. So you'll go with this as option. So guys, I hope you understood this. In this video, we tried to cover both mode and median together, where whenever you have class interval with frequency, this is the formula of mode. Whenever you have class interval frequency, that is L plus H, F1 minus F0, divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2, where F1 is a frequency which repeated the maximum, F0 is a frequency which is before the F1, and F2 is the frequency which is after the F1. So here what we did, we first found the value of F2 because F2 was unknown to us, and we got the value as 26. Okay, so we got the value here was 26. 6 is equal to 60 by 36 minus F. So probably I can write this was 36 minus F was 10. So the value of F is was 26. We got that unknown frequency as 10, 26. And then for median, we need to write the data in the form of less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency. So when we wrote down the data with less than class interval with less than cumulative frequency, so we got this value. We got these values. Okay, and once we got this value, then what we did for median, the first thing we have to determine is sum of F by 2. So sum of F was 112. So divide by 2, we got as 56. Okay, and so then we need to see in less than cumulative frequency table, the next value which is bigger than 56. And here you can see the value is 74. So you have to select that range. The lower limit of that is called as L. Height is the what you say the difference between upper and lower limit. Frequency is 28 here, and cumulative frequency is one cumulative frequency before this is your CF. Okay, and okay, and so you need to put everything in this formula. So this is your formula of median, L plus H by F, sum of F by 2 minus CF. Okay, here your L was 60, H was 10, and F was 28. Sum of F by 2, that is 56, and CF was 46. So you put them into this formula and you got the value of median as 63.5714. So guys, I hope you have liked this class, and if you have liked the class, please click on the like button and ask your doubts in through comment section. If you have anything to ask, feel free to ask your doubts through comment section, and make sure that you understand each and every concept, whatever is being discovered and whatever is being covered to you all. So you make sure you go through them, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Bye.